So here what exactly ERP is. See, SAP is not only one of the ERP solutions in the business, right? There are more than one ERP solution, different vendors or the companies.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So see what exactly the definition says, like which collects data, like stores the data and present the business informations about the organizations, right?
Mm.
Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah. So here what we do is we are into ACP, so we will understand what exactly ACP is. So the system application product in data processing. So it is one of the ERP solutions as compared to the other vendors. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. See some of the global ERP vendors. I believe you have went through or have
Yes.
went to like I don't
No
know,
problem. Yes.
BAN, Oracle,
Yeah.
MSC Pro, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what the definition states, like system application and product in data processing. First point is all module are tightly integrated. Means what? As we are a PM, there are FICO, what you say, FICO, MM, SD, QM, HR, EHS, basis, ABAP.
What is EHS?
Is the environmental
Health and
and
safety.
yeah, health and safety, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so these modules are tightly integrated to produce a business solution to the client, exactly the company,
Yeah.
right? So this is what the build based on the best practice, means the company practice. Design for all type of business. It's related to aerospace, aviation, it's related to defense, it's related to telecommunications, it's related to whatever you can name it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the last point is the client and server architecture. I believe you know what exactly is the client and server architecture, right?
R3. R3. Yeah.
It's R3. It's a real-time three-tier architecture, right? Okay, fine. So we will understand what R3 system. Do you have any what exactly R3 system is?
Yeah. It's a 3-tier system.
Okay, that is presentations, application, and database, right?
Yes. Correct.
Okay, see what happened. Let me share my personal experience in SAP PM implementation on the client side. Okay, see, we really follow the R3 systems, means what? There is some three type of layers where exactly we follow. One is the presentations, which is the GUI area where the super user, end user usually interact with it. Okay.
Yeah.
Applications layer, this is a server where application is been installed, the R3 system.
Yeah.
Okay, and database is related to database. It may be ORDBMS, RDBMS, or OORDBMS. Recently, like HANA is a database, right? It's an in-memory solutions which we provide. Okay, so I believe we knew the R3, which stands for real-time three-tier architecture. This is a kind of architecture, right? It's a different type of system of the server which connected through LAN, WAN, or through internet. Okay. So before starting the SAP methodology, let's understand what is the golden client is. Do you know anything about the golden client or heard about the golden client or sandbox?
Yeah. It is a default SAP clients, I think.
See, during the implementation of the SAP projects, we usually like the development part, right? The configuration part.
Yes.
Yeah, we will understand this thing for the like SAP methodology, and we will come later on with the landscape. We will understand the landscape where the golden client, sandbox, and other clients are interacting with each other to make the project productive. Okay. 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 See, golden client contains all the configuration data, means whatever we collect the data from the core team of the client and mentioning it in a business blueprint, we are configuring all the data in the golden client or the sandbox,
Got you.
where you can play yourself. If there is error, you will rectify it, right? This is,
So both are same, yeah? Golden client is equal to sandbox.
no, somewhere some authorizations is there. Okay, it is similar. Anyhow, it is similar, but you need to make some configurations. Both are same in some
Right.
part. Okay,
Got you.
these are termed with different servers, means the client servers. So here what the consultant do, they do all type of configuration and testing in the golden client or the sandbox
Got you.
configuration part
And
I'm
they
saying.
and they do transport
And
request, isn't it?
yeah, and
To
they transport requests from development to quality and quality to production.
production.
Yes.
Correct.
Whatever configuration we will do, we are authorized to do in the development server, not in the quality or not in the production.
Production.
Because
And only
production,
the basis
yeah,
correct. Basis consultant is what who transports that
yeah,
across, yeah?
exactly.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay, okay. We shall move forward on that part, right?
Yeah.
Okay, see, this is what the client server architect is. I believe you have went through this, the presentations, application and database. These are some type of technical aspects which have been covered during the implementations.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the ACP architecture. It's visualized properly like database and how it is connected to the application server, and the application how it's connected to the presentations server through internet. See, this is what is the ACP landscape is.
Mm-hmm.
I already we had this what like the development, quality and productions. See, there is 190
Yes.
sandbox, 100 is the
Mm-hmm.
uh, golden, okay, and this is what the unit test is, and this is QAS is the quality and productions. Okay, let
Yeah.
me understand what is ACP landscape is. See, ACP landscape is nothing but just the layout or the architecture of the server at the client side,
Mm-hmm.
right? There is a core
Yeah.
team.
There is a what?
There is a core team of the client or the
Yes.
company.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes. And the consultant from different modules. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. As a PM consultant, what would be our role and responsibilities at the client side is working with the development server with the sandbox. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The configuration of the plan maintenance and customer services in the development client is to configure all the master data, all the configurations of plan maintenance and customer services, all the configurations of your order types like work orders and all those in business process related to your general maintenance, your preventive maintenance, calibrations, right? Refurbishments.
Mm-hmm.
So these are all configuration what we will do at the development server or the landscape.
Got you. Got you.
When you are confirmed like everything is fine and we need to transport this from the development to quality server, we need to confirm, right,
Yes.
that everything is working. So we will what we will do, we will transfer all the data, all the configurations from development to quality.
Mm-hmm.
And in quality what we will do all type of testing. Say UAT, you can do it here like user acceptance testing.
Yes.
The end user, the super user, they will, what they will do, they will try to make some transactions there that everything is okay, everything is okay, they will give the green signals.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, later on
Yeah.
everything is fine, then they will transfer from the quality to production system, which is a live server where every production has been done there, live data would be
Got
fed
you.
there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is some
Sure.
of what I have mentioned here. See, the production is something like 200 productions for quality, 300 integrated testing, 700 for and 700 for training. In quality assurance, training
What
can
is
be
the
done.
700? What is the 700 to 710 training? What is
See,
that? I mean,
these
that's
are, this is two type of the servers or the client servers. For it is specially used for quality assurance system.
so the numbers mean something.
Yeah,
700 to
yeah,
710.
exactly. I will show you, like we will use this like training sessions we will use for like the IDES, like it's a 800
Right.
client, right? It's a 800.
Right. Uh-huh.
So such
Yes.
The name is given as 200 for production, 300 for integration testing, because during the transportations we're required to mention all these numbers.